Seiont come from? Okay, so behind me here is Llyn, which is a big lake up in the mountains, and out of it flows this river, which flows through the Afon and comes out near Caernarfon, and it's called the Afon Seiont. What does it mean? Well, Afon is a river, comes from the Brythonic word Afon, meaning river, and Seiont is from the Brythonic word Seiont, which means strong, strong flowing. Now the Romans took the name for the river here, Seiont, and borrowed it to make Seigontium, which was the name of their fortress near where Caernarfon is now. But actually, this bit of river here, even though it is the source of the river Seiont, is actually called the Afon Seiont. And it's called the Seiont until it gets to Llanrug, where it then changes into the river Seiont for some reason. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more.